Hey, welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. Today we're going to see a little bit of LaGrange. And then we're going to go over to Lakeview, check out all of Lakeview. And we're also going to check out Long Prairie. And one of my subscribers wanted to see a street up in Edenfield, so we're going to check it out also. But somebody wanted to see what I'm seeing and not want to see me. So let's turn the camera around. Let's check out Eastport. There you are. This is Eastport, the pavilion where the bands play. We got the bronze little statues. Let's go check out Sunset Island. You can check out Sunset Island over there. It's kind of overcast on Saturday. Check it out, so pretty. Love the water views. You got the Olympia Rec Center, you got the Sales Center, back to the pavilion, and over here you got the main street with the coffee shop on it. You got Prime and Amber. Please remember about Memorial Day and why this is a 3-day weekend. It's not for the veterans, it's for some gave all, and all gave some. So please have a good Memorial Day. Let's get on with the video. Alright, this is the Village of Edenfield. This was a subscriber suggested video. They wanted me to fly down this little road here, check so they could see what their house looks like from above. They might have had their driveway done. They might have done some landscaping. They might have a pool being built, put in. And I just wanted to see what it looked like from up above. If you look down through here, some of the yards look like they need a little bit of water. And you'll come down through here and you'll see some of the yards have had some water. We've had some rain here in the past, a little bit during the day. So they have some gotten some water, but we still need some more. You can see the pool being built right there. That might have been them. We have some landscaping coming up. That could be theirs. But we're just going to go down this road here so they can see what the road looks like from an aerial standpoint. When we get done with this, we're going to go over to the Village of LaGrange. But we're not going to see all of LaGrange. We're just going to see a portion of it that was just brought up on the village's website for the lots that were for sale. There's some nice houses down this road here. I hope you all enjoyed that quick view of Edenfield. This is the Village of LaGrange. We're just going to fly south here because these lots did come up for sale not too long ago on the village's website. So if you wanted to buy in the Village of LaGrange, these lots were available, and you can see that they do face east and west. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It will really help with the magical algorithm. This is the Village of Lakeview. And we're going to see a lot of Lakeview today. You can see this is Saturday, the 23rd. This is in the morning. And you can see that they are still working today. I think they're working because they're going to be off on Monday, Memorial Day. I thought they would have a 3-day weekend, but nope. They are working on a Saturday. You can see the Marshpin Boulevard. You can see 470 out there. You can see the villas down there. You can see quite a few of them have pools. Some nice verandas. Those verandas are awful nice there on the Bel Air Executive Golf Course. This is the Lakeview Postal and Rec Center here. Nicely labeled. We're going to fly around, check it out. You can see the parking lot's done. It is striped. It was closed off for a while, but now they've opened up the Postal and Rec Center. I guess you can park in it because you know there's no mail available yet. And you can't go swimming yet. Then we're going to come around. You can see the Bel Air Executive Golf Course. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day. Plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and the neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. Call, text, or email. Operators are standing by. Alright, like I said, you can see the Bel Air Executive Golf Course on the right. We're going to come down through here. You can see the cranes, look at them up. Usually you don't see the cranes operating on the weekends. But like I said, I think it is because it's a 3-day weekend. Or they're going to be off on Monday. You can see the Village of LaGrange across the lake there. You can see that there are quite a few houses that need to be built down there on Mirror Way. Alright, we're going to go to the next village here. And this is the Village of Long Prairie. This is the Mustang Ranch. I'm at the Mustang Rec Center. Mustang Sally. And I did see them putting up the fences for the pickleball court and the two tennis courts that will hardly be used. They're doing it this weekend. Alright, let's check out the Village of Long Prairie. Check out the construction that's going on. And look at the crane operator working today. Because when they store the cranes, they are down in a down position. And there's a lot of work going on down through there. And you can see a lot of trades that are not usually working on the weekend. Okay, we're going to fly across Beautyberry Golf Course here and check out the Pullman Rec Center. See, there's a lot of golfers out Saturday morning. And they are living the best lives they can. Playing free golf as much as they want. As much as they can get. Especially in the summer. Without the snowbirds here, you can probably get a pretty good tee time. And you can see we've had some rain on the weekdays here in the evening, and you can see that the golf course is looking pretty good. I'm going to come up here, you can see the foundations are poured. You can see the plumbers have ran the pipes. You can see that they are going to be started building down through here very efficiently. So you know in the next couple of months this will all be built out. Coming up here to Bexley Trail. And checking out, look at all the lots down there that were graded. So you know they're going to be surveyed real soon. Look at all the lots that have been graded. A lot of them have foundations. Look at the walls up down through here. You know, they will have roofs on next week. Even though that's a 4-day weekend or 4-day week, they'll have roofs on those houses. This is Long Prairie Path. Like I said, this is Saturday the 23rd, about 9:30 in the morning. It was kind of overcast. And right now in the evening, we got a kind of a downpour. So we're getting some good rain today. Just let everybody else know that it's not here in the villages. You can see coming down Long Prairie Path here, you can see out down southeast there. Look at all that property. There's going to be a lot of houses out down through there. Golf courses, man, rec centers, clubs. Man, when you come down here to the villages, it's like living your second, not childhood, but I think it's more like your second teenage years. Now look at the golf course here. This is the Beautyberry Golf Course. Like I said, we had some rain and it is greened up really nice. The ponds aren't as full as they need to be. And here, this is for pop-up pineapples. I wonder if there's any mosquitoes coming out of there. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will like. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine.